पे आ जाओ।
Now what we are seeing here is a terminalia tomentosa, and during the rainy season, the extended branch stores the water in it. So during the dry season or the fire season, you can use this water as a potable drinking water. And you will just have to find this tree, and any branch that is extended, you can cut it and the water will start flowing.